Hello everyone, thank you for having me here, and thank you ma'am for bringing back the excitement over here. Thank you for inspiring us and giving us that energy of, and we've seen a proud Punjabi, a proud Indian showing us the energy. So today I'll be talking about technology. We have someone mentioned about Industry 4.0. Yes, we all know about the era that gave us electricity, and then came the computers, and now we are entering the era Industry 4.0, where computers and automation will come together in a very different way. When I say Industry 4.0, it's about the powerful technological trends that are coming together and that have the potential to change the world, to change the way we live, to change how things are manufactured and produced, and many things. So what's behind this Industry 4.0? These are some of the technologies like 3D printing. We have robotics, drones, artificial intelligence, and many more. So I have a 3D printing background. I'm the founder of a startup, a 3D printing startup. So we are all set to democratize manufacturing, make it local. And in a very layman terms, I would try and explain 3D printing. 3D printing is, you can say it's digital manufacturing. If you have a 3D design file of an object that you would like to create, it is very much possible to have that object, to hold that object in your hand. 3D printing is now changing the way technologies make, the way industries make things, and it's almost entering, almost many industries have already started adopting it, be it 3D printing organs. The big minds have already started exploring 3D printing organs, shoes, and many more things. When we talk about innovation, 3D printing forms the basis of innovation. It helps people shape their imagination. We as a company, we are working with a lot of high-tech industries, like someone mentioned Internet of Things, IoT. We are working with drone companies, robotics, and we help them accelerate their product development process so that they innovate faster, they make new products for us, and we all move together. The 21st century has brought us, it has brought a lot of innovations along with it, and we see a lot of new things coming our way every now and then. It's not possible for us to keep track of every technological advancement that's happening, but it is suggested, and it's my suggestion, that given the significant amount of impact that any technology has on our daily life, we should keep a track of at least the technologies that are going to leave a big impact on our lives and are going to become the next big wave. So thank you.
Thank you, Manya. I totally agree with you. There's so much innovation, so much technology. How do you keep up with it? But let's follow a couple of them and be good at it, right? Is that what it is? Yes. I think I'm good at a few of them as well now. I'll go to my next. Due respect, we will start our ceremony for giving you guys our pure thankfulness to be here, and we're going to give you trophies for being part of our event this afternoon. We're going to be giving out the iconic Women Creating Better World for All, and also the iconic leaders that are our men in the house for being part of innovation and technology. So I will invite Dr. Harveena Arora to come up, and we'll do our first award. Our first award is for Claire Lyle.
I'd just like to invite my sister Emanuela Donetti and Zenia, who are last year's awardees, to join me in presenting the awards to this year's awardees, please.
Claire, if I can have you come up on stage. Claire Leal, Global Venture Talent Geek. tape, both of them, Mr. Dalit Venkatraman and Savvy Dilip, to come up on the stage. Dr. Himani Shain. Himangi Shain. Next, I'll have Ms. Donati, co-founder of Urbano Creative from Italy. Big round of applause. Next, I'll have Miss Kola come up to the stage from Sunworks Energy. Mr. Nihal Mayur, the Youth Representative of the United Nations Department. Next, I'll have Mania Jha to come up on stage. Our social capitalist from the Mari Group, Mari Sharma, to come up on stage and receive her award.
Mari, thank you for turning things on their head. Mari and I share our birthday. Thank you, Mari, for being here.
Next, I will have Honorable Miss Matezo, Chief Operations Officer, SEA from Africa, to come up on stage and receive her award. Ladies, we'll do one group picture so everybody can go off and do their thing, because our next session will be starting any minute. Yes, so one group picture. We're going to move into our next session right away, so if you you guys need a 5-minute break, please go ahead and please do come back. The next session is Innovating for Sustainability and Exclusiveness. Test.